Hi guys, Laura Hunter here. So I've heard some of you had a little issue with some clumpy liner and I'm going to tell you how to fix it. So what causes that is when you pull this out, and I made this clumpy on purpose. For the last few days I have been purposely taking it out, wiping it and putting it back in just so I can make a mess of it. And I did a good job, it's a hot mess now. So what happens is when you pull this out, I don't know if you can see that, but it's very dirty. You pull this out and you go to do your makeup and you go, oh, I don't want that much liner on, and then you do this. That's a no-no. Don't do that. So what happens is that doesn't drain back into the bottle and it dries there. So then when you put this back in the bottle, you push that in. So you're ending up with dry material inside the bottle. And this material isn't going to moisten again and dissolve into the bottle. It won't reconstitute, and so it just ends up being clumpy. A lot of the times really where it is though is it's just stuck on the brush. It doesn't even go all the way in. So what I have found is you can just clean the brush and also clean around the edge. So you can just soak it in some warm water for a couple of minutes. Okay, we're back. So now we have a clean brush. Just give it a little wipe, and we clean the edge of the container too. And you will find out, you put it in there, take it back out, and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, good as new. So usually that's the problem. There you go. And if it doesn't clear up and you haven't had it long, let us know. We wanna